We are looking for some frogs. Let's look for some frogs, guys. Alright, zoom in so I can try to find them. I see a frog! Over there, right there. I still don't see it.
I see it. It's a big one right there.
What?
A frog.
Right there. I still don't see it. I see a frog. Wait, it jumped back in the water.
No, the water's still.
I didn't even get to see a frog. I didn't saw a dead frog, but I didn't take a picture of it. I'm going to record really fast.
My van hikers on the phone.
We have another one. Another pond. So we have to find a frog.
Jordan, tie your shoe up.
Where are you going? Cooper.
You guys want to run?
This is my friend dog.
Come on. He's not going to get you.
My friend dog, Cooper.
Guys, let's run until you can't. Ready? Jace, are you
John.
or not?
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Show them that you're running. That's fast. This one is fast. Whoa, 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 whoa. Another one?
Another waterfall.
Oh, he's down there this time.
It's another waterfall. Look.
Cooper, don't go in there. I'm on one, so I gotta record really fast. I see a sewer down there. It's Pennywise. 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 No. Pennywise. 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 It's so bright that you can't.
No one can't see it. You can't see it? No one can't. Come on, run. No one put name to this.
Get back here, buddy. Come on. Oh. Come on this side. That's a Goofy. Goofy. Oh.
Why do you call me Vicky?
Puka. Puka.
I think we're going this way.
Alright, y'all, that's it for the video. Thanks for watching, and peace out.